MindSeedWorld. Curiosity, discovery, insight. Throughout history, the drive to uncover the unknown has inspired scientists to design experiments that are as astonishing as they are unconventional. From pushing the limits of human experience to exploring animal behavior in extraordinary settings, these studies often defy expectations and challenge our understanding of what's possible. Let's take a closer look at some of the strangest scientific experiments ever conducted.
The Stanford Prison Experiment of 1971 stands out as a powerful demonstration of how quickly people can adapt to roles of authority and submission. College students, assigned as guards or prisoners in a simulated environment, became deeply absorbed in their roles. The guards' behavior grew increasingly harsh, while the prisoners showed signs of acute distress. The situation deteriorated so rapidly that the study was halted after just 6 days, highlighting the profound impact of situational forces on human actions.
Equally unsettling was a 1940s experiment in the Soviet Union, where scientists managed to keep a dog's head alive using a mechanical blood circulating device. This demonstration of artificial life support and organ viability sparked heated ethical debates, underscoring how the pursuit of scientific advancement can raise difficult moral questions.
Pushing the boundaries of human endurance, researchers once deprived participants of sleep for more than 200 hours. Over time, the subjects experienced intense psychological symptoms, including hallucinations and dramatic mood changes. This study revealed just how vital sleep is for mental stability and overall health.
In the early 1960s, the Milgram obedience test explored the extent to which people would follow orders from an authority figure. Volunteers believed they were delivering electric shocks to another person for incorrect answers. Despite hearing signs of distress, many continued when instructed, exposing the powerful influence of authority and prompting deep reflection on personal responsibility.
NASA's experiment with spiders in space offered a glimpse into how life adapts beyond our planet. Observing spiders spin webs in zero gravity, scientists found that the resulting structures were far less regular than those created on Earth. These findings broadened our perspective on animal behavior in unfamiliar environments and hinted at the adaptability of life in space.
Together, these remarkable experiments reveal how scientific curiosity can lead us into uncharted and sometimes unsettling territory. Each study, in its own way, has expanded our understanding of human behavior, ethical boundaries, and the adaptability of life, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge often challenges our assumptions and reshapes our view of the world.